We are Christ Lutheran Day School. We're located in the heart of Alamo Heights. We are a preschool that serves children 18 months through early kinder. We are a play-based school that is nationally accredited through the National Association for the Education of Young Children. We've been accredited since 1996 and we've been open since 1955. When I was hired as a director, I told everyone my #1 priority will always be the safety and security of our staff and our students. And that's still today what my goals and my priorities are. So when XPEL came in, we had the RX film applied to our handrails, to our doors, our push doors, because these are high-touch areas that our students and our staff use every single day.
RX is XPEL's antimicrobial surface protection film. It contains a zinc additive which is designed to prevent the growth of surface microbes on the surfaces where the film is applied. We met with the leadership at Christ Lutheran Day School to talk about where we could apply our RX antimicrobial surface protection film. And we decided that the best place to apply it would be on door handles throughout the school, as well as the stairwells. Those are highly trafficked areas that students are interacting with each and every day. For this particular project, we installed RX8 because the 8mm product is designed to wrap around curved surfaces. The 10mm, on the other hand, is designed to protect flat surfaces.
I am very excited that Christ Lutheran Day School got to partner with XPEL.